ARTW stock analysis and ARTW stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm just observing Art's Way Manufacturing Co. stock. And the thing, like, I want to say that, I mean, yeah, 4% was cool, but like even previously I was still very open to this thing taking things up, but like it just never gave me a proper shift. And I'm just going to mark out the highs and just hopefully it has not died out. Okay. I mean, yeah, today was 4% increase. And the only thing that will make me be long on this market is just like a simple 1 to 2 hour double break. Ultimately, right? Is it possible? Sure. But unless it actually shows me signs of bullish potential, there's just no way that I'm going to buy. And just no way. And this is exactly like I stand by what I mean, you know? So that's how ARTW looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.